Everyone, you're welcome to GMI Fashion Academy online classes. Today we'll be teaching you on how to take the measurements for your body's pattern. Please make sure that you get your measurement book from our online store, or you can as well pick up from a school. Inside the measurement book, we have the different measurement charts and different diagrams to show you how to take these measurements. But I will go ahead to show you the step-by-step procedures in taking these measurements. The first measurement to take is your bust. Please note, because we are strictly on pattern drafting, we take the measurement round the bust. I take my tape rule round the bust like this. Please make sure the tape rule or the measuring tape is on the nipple side of the bust. So take it round. Note, I am not doing this to make it free or to make it loose. I am doing the exact fitting of the bust with one finger inside, holding it like this. That is how I take my bust measurement. The next measurement is my waist measurement. I take my tape round to the smallest part of the waist. The smallest part of the waist. How do I note the smallest part of the waist? Another indicator is using my navel. So I find the navel and then I take my measuring tape round the smallest part of the waist. Please don't forget to put your hand in between your tape roll. And this is my waist. Another measurement is my hip. How do I get my hip? That's the fullest part of the hip. So I take my measuring tape all the way down to the hip. Please try and make sure your tape goes round the bum at the back, and then you take it all the way to the fullest part of the hip with one finger. Don't forget, one finger in between, not too loose and not too tight. And that is how I take my hip measurement. Another measurement we take is our shoulder measurement. So on your pattern, you know there's something we call the NP, which is the neck point. This is it on my mannequin. So I take my tape rule from that NP all to my shoulder blade. And this is it. This is how I take the measurement of my shoulder. Another measurement we take is our chest width. To get my chest width, I take it from the base of the armhole to the other base of the armhole, all the way like this. Please note that I'm not making it too loose, neither am I making it too tight. I'm just making it exactly. It's not on the bust line, it's above the bust line on the chest line. This is how I take my chest width. I also do the same thing for my back width. It's kind of. So another measurement we take is our back width. How do I take my back width? Take your measurement tape and take it from the base of the underarm to the base of this underarm. Not loose, not leaving it loose, but leaving it fitting exactly. And that's how I take my back width. Another measurement we take is my back to waist, which is called also nape to waist. So there's a bone across the back, in the middle of the back. So take your tape touching that and all the way to the deepest part at the back. So how do I figure out what part of my back is deep? Don't forget you have your waistline and you have your navel as an indicator of your waistline. So use your hand to trace from the front all the way to the back, and that gives you the deepest part. You can see my mannequin showing that deepest part, and I stop that. I stop my measurement there, and that is my back, neck to waist. Another measurement we take is our length to under bust. Now this helps you when doing your shaped bodies. So do take your tape rule from your NP all the way to underneath the bust. So for those who are extremely busty, please kindly make sure you take your tape rule all the way to under the bust. Under the bust, we need this measurement. So this is how to take your under bust measurement. Another measurement we also use is our round under bust. That's the circumference of the under bust. So I take my measuring tape and I take it round the under bust. Where I stopped while taking my length to under bust, that is where I take my round under bust. Please make sure that this is fitted. These measurements must be fitted, because at the end of the day, shaping your bodies is to give you that curve that naturally you do not have. So we want to give your dress that curve and make it fitted. So you take your measurement round the under bust like this with one finger in between, and that's how you take that measurement. Another measurement we take is your desired length for your dress or for your blouse. So if you're making a blouse or you're making a shirt, please make sure that you take your tape from your NP all the way under your bust, and then you continue to your desired length. So if you want it short or you want it long, whatever desired length you want, please do take it like that. Another measurement we also use is our neck width, the base of our neck and the neck width. Now this measurement is used in doing your neckline. So depending on the desired neckline you want to use for your dress or for your blouse or for your shirt, please go ahead and take this measurement. So take your tape rule at the base of the neck. This plate of the neck is here. So take your tape rule at the base and figure out what depth you want. So some want a little bit conservative depth, some want something more extravagant. So it depends on what you want. So take it as deep as you want, and that will give you your desired depth for your neckline. And that will be all for your measurements for your bodies. Thank you.